This has got to be the most interesting video I think I've ever done. Boom. Yo, it's Kabal here, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry that all the uploads has been literally been crazy. I have here a product that I was supposed to get like a month ago. So there's a company out there known as Divoom, and they basically make these portable speakers that actually represent as pixel art, and it's a smart device and a speaker. They reached out to me and say, hey, we would like for you to review the product on your channel. When can we ship you a product? So I said, yeah, I'll review the product, even though like I'm not really a review channel. So they decided to ship me a product, and literally it took about a month to get here. All because during when all this was going on, the global pandemic of the virus decided to just spread out, and it kind of affected all the shippings and stuff like that. And this company was actually international. So I asked recently, I think it was like a couple days ago, if they had offices in the United States. And sure enough, they did, and I was able to get the product 3 days later. So now I got the actual product itself, and it came in this little tiny bag right here. Look how adorable that thing is. It's in a little tiny bag. There's the actual product itself. It's called the Ditoo, and it is a retro pixel art portable speaker. And I've already looked at this product multiple times, and this is actually my first time in hands of what exactly it is. And I told them this could be something that would be good for female streamers. Let's actually get into the actual product itself. So let me move this out into here if I can pull it out from here. And here's the actual unit right here. I don't think it comes in, I think you could take it out of the little tiny case as well. But let me go ahead and just open that up real quickly. So let's see here. Let me go ahead and just take this out real quickly. Open this packaging up. We have technology here. Why don't I just stab it? There it is. There's the actual thing itself. So you open this thing up right here, and then you're greeted with the actual retro Ditoo-like creature right here. And we can actually take him out right out of the box right here. Ooh, it's a little hefty as well. Oh, we even got some more goodies right in here after that. So we have here, looks like to be about a micro USB cable so that you can charge the actual unit itself. And then we also got a couple of stickers right here. Divoom sticker, pixel art type thing. This must be some of the stuff that we can see on the actual speaker. We got a couple of emojis. We got a dolphin, dogs, the earth, some food in there, got a couple of stickers in here, and then we actually have the user manual, which I can be like everyone else. I don't really use user manuals. You can, oh, but it even tells you how to do voice memos. You can connect it to a speaker. Hold on, I haven't even told you the features that is on this thing. So this thing claims to be one, a pixel art display, RGB display. This thing is a smart alarm and sleep aid. It also acts as a social media notification system. It's a DJ mixer. It comes with an app, which I will be downloading pretty soon. It has 360-degree surround sound. It supports internet radios. It has 256 programmable LED lights. And it has a whole entire online pixel art gallery that you can choose from. So we're going to be investigating a little bit of the pixel art gallery, since that's actually something that they want me to show you guys if you guys are thinking about getting this particular product. I can see onto the side right here, we have here where you can actually charge it. Where is the actual button itself, if it will focus? Yeah, there's the USB, there is the on and off switch, and then the micro SD card, which you can probably load on some stuff. So let's press the button. I gotta charge this bitch up. Okay, where is my micro handy dandy USB cable? Which we can just easily charge up this thing right here. Oh, it's even, oh, I love, Divoom, I see you there. I see you there. We got this nice braided cable, which wait a second, this is not even micro USB. This is USB type C. Okay, so that fast charging, I see you. Boom. Okay, so we have the time. So how can we change the time? Ooh, it's even clicky. Listen to that. That is very, very satisfying right there. That is honestly dope. Oh, and there's the volume switch. You can even decrease and increase the volume right there. That's a little dope, actually. Oh, and there's also all the pixel art right here. So you press this button that looks like a little bit of a sun right there. Ooh, oh, I like that. That looks sick. Yo, that is dope. Shows you all this sort of designs right here. Okay, so let's get this thing fully set up. Let's connect it to the Bluetooth. Whoa. Okay, for a second there, I thought Spotify recognized the speaker. I was about to be shocked. Okay, so let's get so allow new connections because it recognizes there's a new connection. We got the new Lil Tecca. We got the new Ian Doyer with Machine Gun Kelly and Travis Baker. Done.
I've been losing my mind, trying to figure it out, but I'm stuck in a drought. I guess we'll start again.
Okay, so we're gonna test out the volume right here. So let me count how many ticks is in the volume first off. Okay, so I guess we'll go all the way up to 50% right here.
I'm stuck in this house, I am my own friend. Over and over again.
100%.
I'm trying to pretend like everything's alright, but it's on the way.
I can tell it actually competes very well with my Amazon Echo speaker because this is really, really loud. Now we have an app that we can also connect to the speaker as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get this QR code right here. We can play games. There's a stopwatch. We can put a calendar on there, a time planner, alarm system, Pixel. There's even a Pixel community, which they do emphasize they want me to explain. They want me to explain this whole entire Pixel community. So far, I am really liking this little tiny thing. Like, I mean, this is very much a novelty thing, but like this would be something that I could see people liking. I could definitely see people liking in terms of how it looks, but its productivity. Very, very amazing. You can even create your own pixel art, which is great. So we're just gonna show you all the pixel art that they have in this thing. Okay, I don't want any stuff. So we're going to just go through all the pixel art. I'm going to show you all the stuff from the art gallery and see if you guys like it. So here we have a little bit of a caterpillar. We have a cactus dancing right over in here. We have Pink Panther made by a Chinese person. Then we have Mario walking through, which that's honestly kind of dope. Then we have, let's see, this looks like a dinosaur. Some look a dinosaur right over in here. Then we have, let's see here, this looks like, what can we show? We have an eyeball, which that's kind of creepy if you just have that just sitting right in here, but that also looks very dope. We even got one that looks very, very involved. Look how speedy that is. That is a very involved one, which is very, very dope. So let me see the expert. What is expert? Oh, expert is basically all these type of design. Convert the design to, okay. Ooh, look at that. I like that. Oh, and then here's this one. That one looks very, very much involved. I like that. I definitely like that. So the art, you don't even have to do like certain like designs. You could just have it just like right there. Like that's a cool design to just have in the background. That is a very, very cool design. I will say so itself. I definitely did get this for free, but this device here costs $80. For what you're getting in this product right here, it's definitely worth all the money in the world. I mean, honestly, this won't replace like the Amazon Echo. If you want something that spices up your desk setup, like you don't have any LED lights, you don't have anything in here. In fact, my desk setup is a little bit of a mess, but it doesn't have any pizzazz in it. You can add something like this to add to the gaming life, and you can add a little tiny booty right here and just let it bounce and then just let it sit on your desk right there. Like it'd be kind of cool. Okay, my desk, I will say so myself, my desk is a little bit messy, but I'm going to put it in a spot where I believe it would look good on my desk. So we're just gonna put it one right in here. See, that looks kind of dope right there. Kind of just have it just sitting there with a little bit of the stuff right in there. I gotta learn a little bit more with what this thing does, but it's an amazing speaker. It's an amazing novelty item, I will say so. I mean, you just have to be of a tech person in order for you to appreciate something like this. Like if you're just like a normal person, that just wants a speaker, but they want like a cute speaker. This is definitely not one of those cheap speakers that you would find randomly at like at a Five Below or something like that. This is like a very, very involved speaker right here. So I would probably give this speaker an 8 out of 10. I absolutely love the sound quality. I absolutely love the retro and the fact that it literally feels like a keyboard right in here. I love the art and the pixel right in here. I love the fact that there's a gallery where there's like multiple different combinations of what you can do right here, as well as you can make your own art and make it animate right there. So I definitely do give this a certified plus for any Twitch streamer or any streamer that is looking for something to pizzazz their desk setup. Get one of these things right here. And there is also a link down in the description below to get this particular product. So that is it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. And also, if you don't like how this speaker looks, Divoom actually has a bunch of different speakers with a bunch of different styles, which is basically the same thing here. It's just they wanted me to review this because I am a gamer. They think I would love this particular product. So if you guys like stuff like this or need a portable speaker but don't like this sort of type of design, they have a bunch of different speakers that you guys can look at. So that's it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. That's much it. Until then, Kabal out.
Raindrops falling on my window, thinking about the times back when everything was